We are group number 3, and this is our Project Triage presentation of our Eagle Fiesta Jalapeno Verde Salsa.
Eagle Fiesta salsa was born out of a garage in Denton, Texas. Created by a University of North Texas freshman, the salsa grew in popularity between friends, eventually expanding to the local farmers market and local Denton stores. Eagle Fiesta is known for its humble roots and great taste. Denton, Texas, also known as a mini Austin, is popular for its offbeat art, music scene, and of course the mean green. Eagle Fiesta does its best to embody the town that it calls home. From the green color and name, representative of the North Texas Eagles and the mean green, to its packaging that represents Denton's fun and funky aesthetic, Eagle Fiesta screams Denton all around. Eagle Fiesta appeals to customers whose tastes are a bit more adventurous. This salsa verde is all about the jalapeno, perfect for customers whose tastes are becoming more sophisticated or who just like a nice bite to their salsa. Eagle Fiesta is made for those who are bored with the generic brand.
The salsa market is in its maturity phase. This is because the market has hardly grown at all over the past decade, and revenues have remained steady at $1.3 billion. The market is heavily saturated with competition. There are 4 main companies who control the largest portion of the market share, with hundreds of other smaller companies competing for that same market share. Some of the key external market drivers are the price of vegetables, which relates to the cost of producing salsa, current health and diet trends, the American consumer's disposable income, and the actual value of the dollar. Our target customers are home chefs and chip dippers. Home chefs are people who use salsa in their everyday recipes, and chip dippers are more of the casual salsa consumers.
So for the pricing of our Eagle Fiesta salsa, we establish all this prediction based on the cost of the production, logistics, and marketing, while also taking in consideration the price of our competitor. So we decided to introduce our Eagle Fiesta salsa to consumers for the convenient price of $3.52. For ourselves, we are going to sell our salsa through a grocery store called Comida Market, and based on 2 faces and 3 jars per facing, we expect to sell 3 to 6 jars per week based on the following assumption that we predicted that we will sell 426,850 jars of salsa our first year at Comida Market. And then to implement all of this, we're going to need the marketing strategy, which we will implement first of all using social media campaigns through Facebook and Instagram, email campaigns that will be sent to customers who purchase the product at Comida Market, and those who subscribe to our promotional email through our website. We will also have PPC ads that will be part of the strategy, and as well as in-store free samples and coupons that will be available to Comida Market shoppers. And we are looking at a budget of $20,000 annually for the overall marketing budget.
The supply chain network used consists of 2 primary suppliers, 3 backup suppliers, 2 co-packers, and 2 3PLs. The raw materials will be purchased from online wholesalers, restaurant store, warehouse 115, etc., where we will be able to purchase in bulk. Supplies will be shipped from the supplier DC directly to the co-packers for production. Production will be split between co-packers Maria Style 80% and Aaron Thomas 20%. Our salsa will be manufactured, packaged, labeled, and made ready for shipment here. After being palletized and wrapped at the co-packer facility, our 3PLs, C.H. Robinson and Saddle Creek, will transport our final product to the Comida Market DCs across the U.S.
Based on competitor prices, we priced our salsa at $3.52 per unit. We determined our retailer and distributor percentages based on the numbers provided by Renfro Foods percentages. Our total costs are estimated at $1.58 and profits at 17 cents per unit. With our predicted sales, our total costs per year are approximately $674,423, and total profits are approximately $72,565 yearly.
The value proposition of our salsa comes from its versatility. It can be used in recipes and as a casual snack, and this is targeted towards our 2 customer bases, being home chefs and chip dippers. Home chefs use their salsa in recipes, while chip dippers are casual, everyday snackers. And our salsa is made up of 10 ingredients and manufactured out of 2 facilities. The overall viability is very good. Our revenue forecasts show that we are going to make a profit the first year. Thank you for your time.